I am so excited about this. I have been wanting to up my game from webcams to close to professional as you can get, and this is what I choose. I chose the Sony ZVE10 because it's a vlogging camera. It's gonna match up with everything I want to do that I'm trying to accomplish right now. And I ordered it with the kit lens. I'm gonna have to later buy a Sigma 16 1.4 f-stop lens so I can do better on my talking head type videos. But here it is, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. So watch this. This is it. This is me unboxing it. So I have not opened it yet. I'm paranoid that I don't have the, it better be the lens kit version because that's what I ordered. And I got the white. Why? I don't know. It just seemed like white would be a fun color to get. So here we go. I'm opening it now. Okay. And let's turn it around. And okay. And here we go inside it. We have, well, lots and lots of pieces of paper. Oh, a register. I can go for a chance to win a prize. That's cool. All right. And here we're removing the cardboard. Cool. And let's see what we got. So here is our USB dongle. So there it is. There it is. Yep. Okay. And came with a strap. That's cool. Little Sony strap. See? Ta-da! Sony strap. That's awesome. Sony strap. And up here's the battery, which is supposed to do about 400 shots. Here is, wow, it's got a has a white microphone cover there. I want to say suddenly I can't. Words are not working for me today. All right, and here, oh, there's my USB-C cable. So USB-A to USB-C. See. And here is the camera with a lens. All right, so I said this is the kit lens. That's everything that's in the box. There it is. And ta-da! Already put my fingerprints on the screen already. Oh no, because it's got the cool screen. It opens up and that twists around. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, this is beautiful. It says battery exhausted. Literally says battery exhausted. So yeah, so it ships with a dead battery, in case you didn't know. So I'm gonna need it to charge a little bit before I can do anything interesting with it. But that's the unboxing, and thank you so much for watching. That's it. I'm excited. ZVE10. This is gonna rock. This is very much gonna rock. Thank you for watching. I chose the Sony. I chose the Sony. I chose a Zamboni. Yes. I chose the Sony ZVE10.